So good morning students of class 9B. In this period of mathematics we are solving exercise 4.1, that is factorization, and today we will start from 1J. Question is 36x plus y whole cube minus 54x plus y whole square. So as I have instructed you, you classify this given equation into two terms. First is the constant term, second is the variable. Here constant terms are 36 and 54 and variables are x plus y whole cube and x plus y whole square. As you have separated it, then you find the HCF of these constant terms 36 and 54. 36 you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and 54 you can write as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. HCF is a common factors of both the numbers. These 2 common, these 3 common, and these 3 common. So I wrote together 2, 3 and 3. I multiplied, I got 18. So as 18 will be the common constant term. And second part of the equation is the variables. We will find out the least power of variable. Least power of variable is square. So this term x plus y whole square will be common. So 18 and x plus whole square will be common, that came out of the bracket. Then inside the bracket, in the first term what is left? 18 2 is 36, so 2 is left, 2 will come here, and whole square is taken out, so only x plus y is left. Minus in the second term what is left? 18 3 is 54, 18 3 is 54, so 3 is left. I divided 54 by 18, 18 3 is 54, 3 came here with minus sign, and x plus y whole square is taken already common, so this will remain in bracket. Our answer became 18 x plus y whole square into 2 x plus y minus 3. You will take care in the answer at this place it is given 2y square, 2y. In the answer it is given 2y. So take care, if you write 2y then you write 2x plus 2y, otherwise let it remain here out of the bracket 2 into x plus y minus 3. This became the answer. In question number 1K, question is p into p square plus q square minus r square plus q into r square minus q square minus p square minus r p square plus q square minus r square. So what are you saying? Inside the bracket these 3 terms and here these 3 terms are same, but this is not same. We think about this term. If we take minus out, then if minus will come out, then minus plus minus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, means the terms which has minus sign that will be changed into plus, and which has plus sign that will be changed into minus after taking minus as common. So I have done here in the next step. I wrote this term as it is here. As you take minus common, minus will come out, then that minus and plus will be minus, plus minus minus. Now this negative sign will be changed into positive, and positive sign will change into negative. So for verification you can verify once. Minus plus minus p square minus plus minus q square minus minus plus r square. So we can take minus common to make this same term. Now inside the bracket we have all these 3 terms common, p square plus q square minus r square, p square plus q square minus r square, and p square plus q square minus r square. So I took these 3 as common. P square plus q square minus r square became common. So what is left in the bracket? This p is left, I wrote here. Minus q is left, I wrote here. Minus r is left, I wrote here. This became the answer. Now in question number 2, the statement is factorize the following by grouping the terms. We have to make the group. Suppose we have 4 terms here. So we will make the group of 2 terms together. It is 15xy minus 9x minus 25y plus 15. I made the group of these 2 terms. and from these two terms I have taken 3 as the common from the constant term. In question number 1 you have got the idea how you take the common of the constant term. If bigger number, this is the smaller number, so it is easy to find. If bigger number is there, you find the SCF. If you find the SCF of 15 and 9, you will get 3. You can check here. 15 we can write as 3 into 5 and 9 we can write as 3 into 3. So this is common. SCF became 3. So 3 came as common. Now the least power of common term, that is x. X belongs to both the terms. So I took x as common. So after taking common, what is left in this term? 5y is left, because 5 3s are 15 and x into y equal to xy. And here in the second term, what is left? 3x I have taken common. So only minus 3 is left, because minus plus minus and 3 3s are 9x. And from the second last two terms, I have taken minus 5 common. The same process, if you find the SCF of 25 and 15, you will get 5. So 5 became common, and now in this term what is left? 5y is left, because 5 5s are 25y, and here minus 3 is left. Minus will come, because minus minus plus, then we are getting this plus. Minus minus plus, and 5 3s are 15. Now in these two terms what is common? 5y minus 3 is common. So I wrote at first 5y minus 3. And what is left? 3x minus 5 is left. I wrote inside the bracket. Answer became 5y minus 3 into 3x minus 5. In question number 2c, the equation is 9 plus 3xy plus x square y plus 3x. So I have made the group 9 plus 3x and x square y plus 3xy. So from the first two terms, we can take common 3. Then what is left in this term? Only 3 is left. Plus came here, and what is left here? 3 came out, so only x is left, bracket closed. Now this plus came here. From these two terms, we can take the least number of variable as common. Least number of variable is x and y. I took common x and y. So what is left here? Only x is left. Y is taken already out. This is x square. X came here, so only 1 x is left. This plus came here, and this xy came out, so only 3 is left. Now this is 3 plus x and this is x plus 3. So both have the positive sign, so we can interchange. As you write 3 plus x or x plus 3, the value will remain same. That is not wrong. So I have written 3 plus x. And what is coming here? 3 plus x, 3 plus x, this is common, 3 plus x, or you can write x plus 3 also. What is left? 3 plus xy, 3 plus xy. You can write xy plus 3 also. Because there is positive sign, so in positive sign we can interchange the place. This will come at this place, this can go at that place. Xy may come at this place, 3 may go at that place. We can interchange. But the answer will be written in the different form. The terms will match. Suppose in the answer you will get x plus 3 into x plus y plus xy plus 3. So that is also correct, and this form is also correct. In question number 2f, equation is 2m cube minus 5n square minus 5m square n plus 2mn. I have made the group 2, 2. So these two I have taken together, and 5, 5 I have taken together. From these two terms we can take 2 and the least number of variable, that is m, that is common. M is here, so m, least number of m is common. And in this term what is left? M square is left, because m square into m equal to m cube, and these two will come here. Plus came, and 2m is taken already out, so n is left. I wrote here. From these two terms, minus common, both the terms have minus sign, minus common, and 5 common. Least power of variable, that is n is common, and the least power of n is 1. So this n to the power 1 means n. I took common. So in this, what is left? 5n is taken already out, only 1n is left. If you multiply this, minus plus minus, 5n into n equal to 5n square. And here plus will come, because minus plus minus. At this place of minus, plus will come, because minus plus minus. And from this term, 5n is taken out. What is left? M square is left. Now we are seeing m square plus n and n plus m square. So both are same. So this became common. I wrote m square plus n. We can write. We can change the place. In the last question also I have discussed about it. If both the terms have the positive sign, we can interchange the place. So I interchange the place. M square came here and n may go there. So this became m square plus n, and what is outside? 2m minus 5n. I wrote here. This became the answer, m square plus n into 2m minus 5n. In question number 2G, equation is 4ab x square plus 49ab y square plus 14xy into a plus b whole square. In the next step, I have omitted this bracket. I multiplied these two terms by 14xy. So I got 14a square xy plus 14b square xy. Now I have arranged the group 4ab x square and 14a square xy. I have written together, and these two I have written here together. So from this, if you see the CF of 4 and 14, that will be 2, that will be common. And from the variables, a is here, list power of a will be common. X is here, so list power of x, that is this x, that is common. So in this term, what is left? 2bx is left. Means if you multiply these two, you will get back. Plus here what is left? 2 7 are 14, 7 is left, and here 1a is common, so 1a is left, and this x came out common, so y is left, so this becomes 7ay. Similarly 7 7 are 49, 7 2 are 14. Means if you find SCF, then that is 7 will come, 7 I took common, and by, this list power of b is this b, that is common, and list power of y is this y, that is common. So here 7 7 are 14, 7 is left, this a is left, and y is left. Plus 7 I have taken common, so 2 is left, because 7 2 are 14, 2 is left, b is common, so b, one more b will come here, and y is taken common, so this x is left, x will come here. Now what are we seeing? 2bx plus 7ay, and here 7ay plus 2bx. So we can change the places. So in this way, these two terms become the common. I wrote here at first 2bx plus 7ay, and what is outside the bracket? 2ax plus 7by. Answer became 2bx plus 7ay into 2x plus 7by.